the final Y letter. Y at the end of one-syllable words has the sound of long I. Listen and repeat. Buy, my, fly, cry, sky, dry, try, shy, sly, fry, buy. Y at the end of words with more than one syllable has the sound of long E. Listen and repeat. Baby, belly, pony, crazy, dizzy, silly, happy, sorry, funny, lazy, bunny, candy, many, shiny. Your turn to read.